Alright guys, I got everything hooked up. Well, just my left door, but I got this 2000.1 on the left door, and I have 700.1 hooked up to my pair of tweeters. Alright, so I got a 2000.1 hooked up, and I got the 700.1 hooked up. Got it going off these PV. You probably can't see it, but it's on two PRV10s and two PRV8s. And the 700.1 on the Crescendo FT1s.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Project Pat. Feature your boy Juicy J. And don't be, you'll never be a G. You'll never be a G. I done sold them brands, rock niggas for cash. I done busted thumper on plenty niggas' ass. Broke down plenty bills, so much clientele. Went to jail and never tell what some of you niggas will. Cause you'll never, ever, 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 ever be a G. Cause you'll never, ever, 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 ever be a G. Cause you'll never, ever, 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 ever be a G. Cause you'll never, ever, 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 ever be a G. When I was young, had that chopper cocking, Project Pat was rubbish like the Grinch, bitch. Take your shit, feeling on my stocking, cap on my skull, nigga. Better wipe off that bug, nigga. Like that don't get no fuck. Muscle thought was screaming thug like Tupac. Went to jail and never ready. Held it down for all I know. No coming back, just exchange 50 runs for 50 shots in your ass. I done sold a brand, brought niggas for cash.